Hi everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Let's make a Halloween shaker card today. So I am trying to figure out what cute pattern paper I want for part of my card. I am using the condensed lowercase alphabet dies, and I'm going to spell out candy for my Halloween card here. And it's the first time using these alphabet dies, and I think they're really fun. And I had previously used the new layered candy corn stencil, and so I thought it would be fun to spell out candy for this candy corn background. And then I have that fun pattern paper too, so here is what I'm going to do. I am going to tape candy to my background panel here. And this is, I believe, an A2 size background. And it does move, so I am going to use some tape. I do play with it a little bit. And usually these kinds of shaker cards don't work in my favor, so this is a special treat to make this card. And Cat Scrappiness has some wonderful embellishments, and so I just had to make a shaker card. I just had to put my fears away and make one. So I don't know if you have that problem with shaker cards. So here is candy that I just ran through my die cutting machine. And I think it looks really good. I also ink blended another panel, and so this is the lighter version. So I decided that I would try my darker panel that I like better. So I'm just showing you the pieces, and my plates are really warped. So here I ran it through the panel that I liked the best, and then I have my extras in case I want to make another card. And you can easily put in the words back in if you don't want to make a shaker card, or you don't have to make a deep shaker card. So I am going to put my acetate, and I believe you can just use some acetate packaging. We always have packaging in our stash, so use that if you don't have any acetate. And I like to use tape runner for these kinds of shaker cards. Tape runner when I'm using foam tape as well. Or if you like double-sided tape, that works great also. And I'm just going to cut the excess of my acetate. And I think it looks fun already. And so I'm looking to see if I want to put the centers of the two letters there, candy, and the A and the D is what I'm trying to say, to put those back. And then I'm going to add some foam tape. This is a wider foam tape. I think I got it at Target. I need to buy some more foam tape, but like I said, I don't make shakers too much, and usually the foam tape that I use is like a quarter, which is great for like the sides here, and I believe I use those for my sentiments. So I'm going to cut it, and it's really, really sticky. So I do get it on my scissors. So it's just really messy, and this is kind of why I don't make shaker cards too often. If I do, I usually use mesh, or I use like a packaging, an A2 package. And so here is the quarter strip that I was saying I like to use. It's easy for the sides, and I just love it for my sentiments. Okay, so here is the background that I chose from that fun paper pad from Cat Scrappiness. And I decided to go candy corn with candy corn, and I'm using these fun embellishments that are new from Cat Scrappiness, so they are perfect for this shaker card. And I'm going to put a little bit in each embellishment tray here, because there is some other elements in there. I just wanted the candy corn, I believe, and maybe the white round circles from that mix. And then the other one has candy corn with faces on it, so really super cute. See, those are so cute. I love them. And so I'm just gonna use a little bit of each and scoop them and put them in the center where my candy is shown through there. And I will use my Cat Scrappiness tools, like my pickup tool there, and I will use my embossing brush there to get the static off my acetate. So I would love for you to check out the embellishments in the Cat Scrappiness store. There is just some really fun ones, like I believe there is tacos and so many Christmas embellishments and fall. I just love to shop around for the embellishments, and all the other products. Just Cat Scrappiness always has like amazing prices too. Okay, so I'm trying to see if that's enough. I don't want to make it too bulky. And there is a few in that mix that won't work for my candy corn shaker here. So I am just picking through a few. And I just wanted a piece. I didn't use a full A2 of that background because I love to hoard paper, and I didn't think it was necessary to use a whole page, and it stuck to my table and fixed it. So there we go, and it shakes, and I'm happy with it. So next I stamped and heat embossed my sentiment that says happy and day, and I did fussy cut them, or I just cut them actually. Sometimes I do fussy cut them, but this one I just cut. And so it's going to say happy candy day. And super fun. And I can't wait to send this card out. And that finishes my card. I hope you like it. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.